Hey, it's Mega, aka the Art Messiah, here to save you from your art sins. Welcome back to day 27 of the 30 Days of Making Comics Challenge. Today we're going to be talking about work-life balance. But before we go ahead and jump into that, I want to thank all the recent subscribers. We've blown past 50 and we're at 63 right now, which is amazing. So thank you guys for all the support. Hopefully you enjoy the content. Another thing that I want to mention is that I've been a little bit absent from this challenge because I've been doing artist interviews, and I just uploaded my first one with the Zay Arts, so feel free to check that out, and I'll provide links at the end and in the description. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video, and we're going to be talking about work-life balance, which, to be honest with you guys, I am probably not the best person to talk about this because I am very, focused on work and passionate about the work that I do. And I guess I kind of want to mention, I use work sparingly because when it comes to drawing, I don't necessarily view it as work. Yeah, it is work and you're putting effort into it and it can stress you out, but I'm always drawn to drawing. I'm just going to provide some of my insight and what I think, but I'm also going to include some sources and other things that you guys can check out to kind of learn more and join this conversation about working and drawing and just balancing your life, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I want to kind of talk about some of the issues that we face as an artist, especially when it comes to work-life balance. So a lot of artists, they have to spend a lot of time behind this screen or the paper drawing in order to improve their skill and improve their craft. So that's necessary. It's necessary to grow and improve, but at the same time, it can take away from, let's say, exercising or entertainment, such as playing video games, and also just socializing. So I really just kind of want to talk about that today. So the issue that I face is that there is not only a bunch of art-related projects that I want to get done, but I tend to think and dream big. So when it comes to me, I feel like there's so many different things, skills, and talents that I need to develop in order to achieve some of these art projects that I have in mind and future projects that I have in mind. So those are some of the issues. You may relate to some of those that I put out there, but in general, a lot of us artists have trouble just, putting the pen down and putting the pencil down and also kind of living life. So let me kind of talk about some of my fixes, and hopefully you guys can leave in the comments some of your fixes for how you balance these things out, and we can have this conversation. So tip number one, build a schedule. Create a schedule in which you say, here is my drawing time, here is my me time, here is like my socializing time. So just make sure that you're actually scheduling things in your life that make you balanced. So what I do is I say, okay, on Thursdays, I break, or you guys might know it as breakdancing. So I set time aside for that. Every night I set aside some time for, just getting on social media and commenting, interacting with other people, and then also just keeping up with my family and my friends. I try to make time for that. So I do that by scheduling and saying I'm only going to draw for this amount of time. Now, I constantly fail at this. I'm constantly going over time, my drawing time, because there's so many things that I want to get done. But in order to have balance, you have to know when to quit, and you have to know when to put that pencil and that pen down. Okay, so this tip number 2, I kind of already mentioned, but I like to socialize when I have all my work done. I've already put my drawing ideas out there because there's so much in my head. There's so many different things that I'm thinking about, scenes and characters, interactions, things that I want to get down into the paper that if I start talking to someone, I'll quickly forget that. So I like to draw first as soon as I get home from work. And then I don't mind balancing my life out with, other things such as, watching a TV show or eating some food, or, just socializing with my friends and just having a good time, right? So the last tip, the third tip that I have for you guys, and this one comes from Noah Bradley. Now, if you guys don't know who he is, you need to check out his YouTube channel and a lot of the content that he produces. He's an amazing artist. And in one of the chats that he was having, he was basically saying that combine your passion with socializing. So him and his wife, they actually draw together. So they're kind of doing two things at once, and that's how they kind of build somewhat of a work-life balance. So if you're having trouble finding time and then also balancing, that can be a great solution for you. So that's something that I kind of strive to do and that I want to do. So let me know what you think about that, and we'll have a discussion in the comments. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for checking in, and also thanks again for so much support in these recent 2 months. It's been amazing how many viewers and subscribers are coming in, even though it's a small channel. I'm having a lot of fun, so I'll be back with another video, and until next time, deuces.